What are you doing right now? What are you doing right now?
I am cleaning the kitchen at the moment. I am cleaning the kitchen at the moment. Did you eat your breakfast this morning? Did you eat your breakfast this morning?
Yes, I ate before I left the house. Yes, I ate before I left the house. Wait, someone is waving at me now. Wait, someone is waving at me now. I need to stop the car now. I need to stop the car now.
Okay. I will wait for your call. I will wait for your call.
All right, I will talk to you again soon. All right, I will talk to you again soon.
Okay, bye for now. Drive safely. Okay, bye. For now, drive safely.
Bye. I will call you back soon. Bye. I will call you back soon.
Excuse me, sir. Are you free now? Excuse me, sir. Are you free now?
Yes, I am completely free right now. Yes, I am completely free right now.
Are you heading towards the super shop? Are you heading towards the super shop?
Yes, I will gladly take you there. Yes, I will gladly take you there. Wait! There is another passenger waving too. Wait! There is another passenger waving too.
Oh, I think she also needs a ride. Oh, I think she also needs a ride. I think she also needs a ride.
Excuse me, are you heading to the super shop? Excuse me, are you heading to the super shop?
Yes, we are actually heading there right now.
Yes.
We are actually heading there right now.
So, exactly how far is the super shop?
So,
Exactly how far is the super shop?
It is roughly 15 minutes away from here. It is roughly 15 minutes away from here. Hey! I actually have 2 passengers right now. Hey! I actually have 2 passengers right now.
Oh, great! Where exactly are you taking them? Oh, great! Where exactly are you taking them?
I am driving them to the super shop. I am driving them to the super shop. Okay, I will call right after dropping them. I will call right after dropping them.
Good. I will be waiting for your call. Good. I will be waiting for your call.
Was that your wife on the phone? Was that your wife on the phone?
Yes, that was actually my wife calling me. Yes, that was actually my wife calling me.
Does your wife also work outside the home? Does your wife also work outside the home?
No, she manages everything at home instead. No, she manages everything at home instead.
Hello? Hi. Did you drop them off safely? Did you drop them off safely?
Yes, I just dropped them off safely. Yes, I just dropped them off safely.
Great! Where are you now exactly? Great! Where are you now exactly?
I am currently on the road heading back. I am currently on the road heading back. So, what are you doing right now? So, what are you doing right now?
I am cooking dinner for the both of us. I am cooking dinner for the both of us.
I am parking the car right now. I am parking the car right now.
Great! Hurry inside, the food is ready. Hurry inside, the food is ready.
I am walking towards the front door now. I am walking towards the front door now.
Come and wash your hands first. Come. And wash your hands first.
Okay, I am washing my hands now.
Okay.
I am washing my hands now.
Good. The food is already on the table. Good. The food is already on the table. How was your day? Was it busy? How was your day? Was it busy?
It was fairly busy, but also quite good. It was fairly busy, but also quite good.
Let's clean up the table together now. Let's clean up the table together now.
Sure, I will help you with everything. Sure, I will help you with everything.